I'm second to one, redeemer, the way, the light. I'm second to one, the savior, no compromise. Laying everything at the foot of the cross, my pride, my life, my all. I'm second to one, and he's second to none. Second to none.
Hey guys, so this is going to be a bit of a shorter video. Another cold start of this truck, my 82 GMC. Kind of a sad cold start, being as cold as it was this morning, and as you can see, you can probably still see some of my breath. It's actually 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, but at the time that I took the video, it was only 9:30 in the morning, and it was also minus 30 degrees Celsius outside. And I didn't have the truck plugged in, didn't have the block heater, didn't have my my battery trickle charger plugged in. Completely forgot to plug them in overnight when I decided to shoot the video. Had to take off in the morning, figured why not film a quick cold start. And I was honestly extremely impressed with how quick this thing started up in minus 30 unplugged. Minus 20, it's a bear to start. Minus 10, pain to start. You know, I'm pumping, I'm mashing the throttle for, you know, 2-3 minutes sometimes even before I get the truck to fire up. This one was a few pumps, turned the key, and she fired right up and stayed running and stayed in high idle. So without further ado, I'm going to post a screenshot of the weather network, of the temperature, right after this little part, and then we'll get into the video. So enjoy. Good morning, YouTube. It's minus 30 out today. I'm gonna cold start the truck. Forgot to put my block heater and trickle charger on last night, so oh, baby. Okay. Fans off. Let's give it a couple pumps. No way. Okay. So apparently this truck really likes cold. So, oh, I gotta go. I'm freezing. If you like this video, drop me a really warm thumbs up. Comment below. Want to see more? Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.